This is what you call winter melon. And today I'm going to show you guys how I make winter melon soup. This is something that my mom used to make for me when I was younger and I love it. So here we go. What you want to do is remove all of this greenery here. Oh, also this right here is about 3 pounds of winter melon. Dang, this thing's so hard to remove. Probably doing it wrong, but that's okay. You want to remove all of this, the seed and all that. So it should look something like this. Okay, so now you want to cut it into cubes. Just to let you guys know, winter melon is not sweet, in case you were wondering. I'm going to use pork spare ribs with the winter melon soup. It's my favorite. This is about 2.5 pounds of spare ribs. I'm just going to chop them up into pieces. Where the heck is the bone? What's that? Let's remove that. Here's a little tip. There's bones in there, as you can see, so just cut in between the bones. It should look like this, little cubes. We're also gonna use green onions. So for the green onion, we're only gonna use the green side, and we're gonna stop right here. So I'm just gonna cut it off. So here are the green onions. Okay, now on to the broth. So I use 10 cups of water, and I'm also gonna use 1 can of chicken broth here, and ginger. So just put this all in here and let it boil, and you're gonna put the spare ribs in here too. Now that you have your chicken broth, water, and ginger in here, you want to add salt, this much. I usually don't measure, but people might want to know, so there you go. And MSG, I'm gonna use this much. And usually people use white pepper, but I don't have white pepper, so I'm gonna use black pepper. Put your spare ribs in here. And let that boil, and then you're gonna put in the winter melon. So it's been about 10 minutes, and what you want to do is remove all of this. So now you want to add your winter melon. Add your green onions, mix everything together, and let it boil for another 10 minutes. Okay, I lied. It has been about 15 minutes. Whoa! The winter melon should be like soft, you know? Like that. Let's taste it though. A little bit of salt. Just because I don't like my stuff bland. 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's taste it. Yeah, so good. Here it is, guys. Winter melon soup with pork spare ribs. I sprinkled some fried onions on top of it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.